The European Union has announced new rules tightening exports of vaccines produced in the bloc in a move seen as an attempt to restrict Britain and other countries from receiving vaccines before the EU. The EU's health commissioner said Brussels would have to be notified before companies export vaccines out of the EU to third countries like the UK. The Pfizer jab, which is produced in Belgium, will now have to get approval from Brussels before it leaves the EU for Britain. The news comes as the EU struggles with the supply of coronavirus vaccines, after a row with AstraZeneca, who temporarily cut the supply of its vaccine to the bloc by 60% after manufacturing issues.
It seems like an entirely political move the EU has made this week, after AstraZeneca has been really trying to get the EU to approve their vaccine for a long time. The EU has been incredibly slow in its approval process, and so naturally there are going to be some problems with the supply. But this tit-for-tat response that we've seen from the European Union, suggesting that everything in order to export will have to get approval from the centre, is just incredibly regressive, and I think actually will harm the bloc in the long run.
British ministers have warned vaccine supplies will be tight in order to reach the government's target of vaccinating the top 4 vulnerable groups by the 15th of February, though the country remains on track to hit this goal. The UK reportedly expects 3.5 million Pfizer inoculations to be delivered in the next 3 weeks. Brussels is yet to approve the AstraZeneca vaccine, though is expected to do so later this week. The bloc bought 300 million doses of the jab and had agreed to have delivered 80 million doses by the end of March. However, AstraZeneca has told the EU to expect 50 million fewer doses than agreed due to manufacturing problems. The EU's new rules on exporting vaccines are not expected to affect Britain's supply of the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine, as these are produced in the UK.